Okay, so I just completed recording a video for my channel because I won't be here next week. And oh yeah, I have to record that because I don't know, I'm not get excited with my travel, so I'm gonna show that when I'm because today me actually it's a week my travel next week and me I packing a weekend by sometimes because it's just a few days, me never do the 1 month packing. So yeah. But anyways, so I'm just gonna finish record like about 2 videos for my channels and I'm going to do a voiceover for my Amazon storefront because like I said we're putting pressure on everything this year, and what will work and what not gonna work, but you will not be able to say that I did not give it my all. So I'm recording content for that, and I'm going to do I record the content already. I'm going to do the voiceover for it now after me eat my lunch. Yeah, so the next clip should be that. Of course, I ended up having a 50% off sale. Came here to get the kids a sweater, and I got another pants. I mean, it was $7, so yeah. Alright, so my weekend trip is right before, it's basically in the school time. So we left a day before, I think we left the Thursday, and we had to come back the Sunday. I want to come back, it's right back to school. So I was like, okay, let me get my errands done from now so that once I get back home, I don't have to worry about that. So that's why I'm doing my grocery shopping before I even start my packing. Well, before I even get back to packing and whatever else I needed to do. I know you see me using these Ziploc bags to pack, right? These are just like my makeshift packing peanuts. Like, comment below and tell me if you like using packing peanuts to pack your clothes as well. I just feel like it saves so much space when I'm packing, and it makes things so much more organized. However, I don't have a lot of packing peanuts. I didn't want to go out and buy more, so I was like, let me just reuse what I have. And I had purchased some outfits. This is different outfits from different places, and they come in these Ziploc bags. So I was like, I can reuse this, pack my clothes inside of them as my makeshift packing peanuts, and add them to my suitcase, and they did work perfectly fine. Now, is a packing peanut better? Of course it is. It's, you know, it is. It look cuter. But I had these and I use this for now. So maybe next time I'll get some more packing peanuts. Let me know if you do that too. Do you keep your sheet in packages or wherever you purchase from and use them to like pack your toiletry, your clothes, or whatever it is you need to do in your suitcase when you're traveling? Let me know. All done. I feel kind of tired. Well, not tired. My hair heavy. That's one of the reasons why I if I don't have to, I'll just wash it in the shower because then my hair hangs down. But because I'm not, I have to hang it over and have thick locks, heavy when wet, hurt my neck, right? Oof. Now I'm gonna clean up and then start the next part of my hair. I started off the day well today. I didn't procrastinate, so that's good. I'm hungry, but I'm on a fasting diet. Look at you. We made it!
Yes!
Fort Lauderdale, here we come. Ready, guys? Go, Autumn, go.
Right, man, take one plane. Never answer.
Neighbor, come and say that, call him. Him say that, call him, right?
Come on, man.
So I didn't get to record anything, but I'm in my favorite space, which is Marshall's, and this is a bigger one. So you know some getaway without I shopping, my mother there shop. But it was nice. It was nice being here.
Can you imagine this tomorrow?
Couldn't even get much footage, but it was nice coming to this mall, first time seeing it. I did end up helping them creating the gift bags, which came out perfectly. Okay, this is the first time I'm using the iron board in a long while. I haven't used the iron board in a while. I just iron in a bed, or sometimes my clothes I'm just don't need for press.
Come from, no? Recognize, not me. I like when the show. Reaching out to all kings and queens and massive and crew. Music when me grew up and we can go in a club and see a girl and say, talk to her.
It's been 20 plus years.
Thank you, baby. Big up, cuz. Big up, sir.
When you realize that cleanup isn't included in the payment. Either way, I did enjoy the party. I enjoyed going to Florida, and I figured that we'd have to clean up after because the decoration was done by the party host. So yeah, we'd have to clean up. So I ended up just getting it together and start popping balloons in the heels and all. Yo, those shoes were so, let me tell you, my whole outfit plus the shoes was so comfortable. I feel like I could have moved a mountain in it. Everything about it was comfortable, and I had fun on top of that. So it was great, being able to do all of that. Even though Florida isn't my favorite place to go to, when I do go, I enjoy myself. The fact that this trip was one of the first trips that I think that was my first, no, actually no, I went to New York in February, but like my first fly out trip for the year. And also I put a lot of time into the outfit that I wanted to wear, and I think this was my first time doing something like that, like actually sitting down and be like, what look am I going for, what do I want to wear? So this was a bit of an accomplishment for me, and I really, as you can see, I think I had posted this on Instagram. I'm probably going to post the picture of this outfit as well again, because I was proud of it, and I was proud of myself for standing on business, doing what I wanted to do, and being intentional about how I look, being intentional about what I want to wear, and just being intentional about me and just getting prepared overall. It's time to unpack, the infamous unpacking stage. Minimum the unpacking, well, sometimes, but I try unpack before them come home from school, so I forget that way. All right, so first, the laundry bag. So this is the bag when I get, well, I had this for a while. Anytime I travel, make sure I put all of my dirty clothes inside of this. This is my laundry bag. So let's start with that. Hold on. And that, take out everything first. I need to see what I have. Yeah, didn't wear these, but the weather is back up. Yep, back. The best and the worst part of traveling, unpacking, coming home. But I like to unpack like right after I come home. I don't like to leave it for too long. So I end up on, I think once I reach home, this flight was a bit of a late flight, so I couldn't do it right away. So I woke up the next morning and I unpacked. I started unpacking immediately after they went to school. I just started getting straight to it, unpacking, hanging up what I didn't wear, hanging up the clothes that didn't work, and then start picking out laundry, what needs to come out, and things like that. We're gonna let me and the kids them laundry in there. The white clothes from the party. Oh, all that dirty stuff is in there. Don't like placing my shoes, but I have to. I'm gonna have to put all of the fillings back into these shoes. Oh, first stuff, I have it somewhere. I have to go shape up button something and put in the closet. Just sit them then up. Look at them look later. Yep. Outcomes. Oh, yeah. I have to take them off and then apply into them. But it should make sense that I do it as I go, right? I should hang up as I go because it will make it a little bit easier. Yeah, probably that may I do. Didn't close this vlog out, but I think I'm just gonna put this in the next vlog. So until next time, thanks for watching.